Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data. Backup photos, contacts, and app settings to the cloud or a computer. Once done, make sure the phone is charged above 50% or plugged in so the process won't interrupt. You should jot down the primary account passwords, then remove any external SIM or SD card to protect files. Now navigate directly to settings to start the reset sequence. This avoids detours and gets you into the actual factory reset options without delay. You now follow the detailed steps. Open Settings, then System or General Management, and tap Reset Options. Once there, choose Factory Data Reset or Erase all data and carefully read the summary so you understand what will be removed. Make sure to sign out of accounts if prompted. This prevents activation locks later. When asked, enter your device PIN or password to authorize the wipe. After confirming, the phone will restart and perform the reset automatically. This can take several minutes, so be patient. Once the reset completes, you'll go through the initial setup screens. Choose language, connect to Wi-Fi, and restore your backup when offered to recover apps and data. If the phone requests previous account verification and you can't provide credentials, make sure to try account recovery options or contact the account provider before assuming hardware failure. If the device fails to boot properly after reset, try safe mode, wipe the cache partition from recovery, or repeat the factory reset. These steps often result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.